Welcome back, my lovely friends, to day 2 of the birthday week and the old-fashioned week. Yes, why not? We call it old-fashioned week because that's what you're gonna get for the next few days. As I mentioned yesterday on my birthday, cracking on with a wonderful Mandarin old-fashioned, or should I put mezcal Mandarin old-fashioned. Today I'm having another recipe for you, and this is based on tequila. We already used this tequila in the previous video, so you know very well what's gonna happen. But yes, today we're gonna do something based on pineapple. And because it's festive season and because I use syrups for the winter, which you can see on Mixology Hacks, this syrup again have a little spice inside just to make it festive. So my lovely friends, if you're ready for some shakes, stirrs and sips, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, leave me a comment, don't be stranger. But let's go make this wonderful pineapple old-fashioned. So we did a wonderful pineapple, kind of old-fashioned, with this beautiful Rooster Rojo smoked pineapple tequila, but we used the persimmon syrup, if you remember. If you kind of missed this video, I strongly suggest to catch it up because the cocktail is fantastic. But today we bring everything pineapple, okay? We're doing proper funky pineapple, because why not? Okay, it's based on tequila. We're gonna have a sweetener, which is my wonderful pineapple and star anise syrup. Yes, a little bit of festive, still the funky vibe inside, but we bring star anise to obviously bring a little spice to it, and to make it even more Christmassy or festive, I have included some allspice inside as well. So if you wanna make this syrup and you wanna know how, make sure you check Mixology Hacks' latest episode on the 5 essential winter syrups, because I'm using all 5 in these videos. So each day when you see an old-fashioned, it will be with one of these syrups. So you can make them all 5, or you can pick one, whatever bottle you have, and you can just keep sipping on one old-fashioned until you're ready to move to the next one. Today we're doing the pineapple old-fashioned, and of course it can be old-fashioned without any bitters. So we are going to use the Mrs. Better Bitters pineapple and star anise. As you can see, lots of festive flavor inside, funkiness, because we all know there's places on this earth when Christmas comes, but it's not particularly snow there. In fact, it's a wonderful summertime. So why not having like a funky cocktail, enjoying your Christmas festive season? And yeah, just have a lovely new old-fashioned which you never tried before. So if you're ready, my lovely friends, let's start building. Okay, we are going to start with our tequila, and it will be 60 ml or 2 ounces of the wonderful Rooster Rojo smoked pineapple tequila. You want enough. It could be even 75 ml if you ask me, which is 2.5 ounces, but I'm gonna keep it steady, okay? Because we're gonna have every day a different old-fashioned. For the sweetener, the syrup, as I mentioned, this is a homemade fresh pineapple, star anise and allspice syrup. Only 15 ml or a half an ounce, more than enough to bring this funkiness to the mixture, and of course elevate the pineapple flavor in the cocktail. And finally, can be old-fashioned without any bitters, so we're still keeping the profile. Now, if you don't know Miss Better Bitters, they come with a pipette. So in the description, I usually put around 6 dashes. Here I'm gonna go very healthy, like a big drop of the bitters. First of all, because they are wonderful, they bring lots of flavor. Second, they have a wonderful aromas, so they're gonna elevate the whole experience of this pineapple and star anise inside. For the ice, as always, I use my ice which is left from making my clear ice. So 1 big chunk, and let's give it a wonderful stir to chill this beautiful sip. I hope you're getting ready for Christmas, to be honest, and I hope you're looking forward to experience something new. Don't forget, all of these cocktails you can actually pre-batch, yeah? So you don't need to go through this process every time stirring for every single drink. You can easily pre-batch them and have them fridge ready just to put in your glass over your ice, okay? Of course, you have to add some water to dilute, so you kind of fake the stirring process, but it doesn't need to be much. Also, if you're looking for some good pre-batch ideas, why don't you check Truffle on the Rocks? Yeah, John Felix have some good ideas for you, and it's nothing wrong to pre-batch your cocktails. Once your glass is steamed on outside, you can check with out of your fingers. This is the most kind of sensitive part to cold. So this is how I check mine. I think I'm pretty much ready. So grab your glass of choice. I'll be serving in this wonderful, no base old-fashioned or a rock glass. It's look amazing. Anyway, a big chunk of ice or a big cube of ice, as always, or fill up your glass with ice. I mean, I don't know how many times I have to say that, but hey, don't be stingy on the ice, okay? Put a nice big rock inside and strain your beautiful pineapple old-fashioned. And for garnish, my lovely friends, we are going to use fresh pineapple stick. Just pop inside in the glass, and there you have it. The beautiful pineapple old-fashioned based on Rooster Rojo smoked pineapple tequila made with a homemade pineapple, star anise, and allspice syrup, and of course, Mrs. Better Bitters pineapple and star anise. Cheers! Oh, definitely funky flavor. So, I mean, if you're fancy to have this and it's snowing outside, there's nothing wrong, okay? But I think it's perfect for all of you who are somewhere out there on a warm weather and don't expect any snow around Christmas. However, doesn't matter where you are, give it a try. It's absolutely fantastic. It's refreshing, it's fruity, it's funky, it's beautiful. Right, I'll go enjoy it, and I'll see you tomorrow with another old-fashioned which is based on rum, okay? Just to give you a little tip. Bye, and yeah, as always, I love you and I leave you. Bye-bye.